it's you very often when you start, you from here, the first step is good, you're going technically wise, footwork is good, but then the second check, you tend to go from the heel. And that's very common mistake. So ideally, you have a toe ball heel, toe ball heel, toe ball heel, toe ball heel. Footwork.
Okay.
So less heel lead, more toe lead.
It's almost like I went into ballroom instead of.
No, yeah, almost like a waltz, but it's the first step you do very good is the second one.
Yeah.
So you go in slow.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, quick, slow.
Slow.
And the third point, yeah, so you can go, yeah, the third point, that was good. The third point is direction of your chair when you're in a fan position. So when you're in a fan position, you have tendency to go way,
Yeah, too far.
yeah. From here, you want to go diagonally to the girl. This way.
Okay.
Yeah, and in a way, you know, correct way of doing fan position, if you want to learn it, is go backward cucaracha, replace, you have a forward walk turning, so it kind of goes here, and then from here, it changes to here. But for you,
It is complicated because
Yeah.
you really have to alternate, you know,
Yeah.
you're going diagonal to forward.
yeah,
and-
yeah, but for you, it's simple, you go walk back, forward, side,
You're facing.
and
Towards me.
diagonal left,
Yes.
not diagonal right. So try it. Diagonal left,
Yeah.
not
Let's
diagonal
go
right.
from here to here. So go back, front side. Go,
Forward, okay.
go back to the right.
Yeah.
And back.
Yeah,
Okay,
you
in
have to
front of
have-
me, in front of me.
Yeah.
2, 3,
Forward.
2, next, 3. Forward, and
Back,
2, 3,
forward,
and now go towards me
Oh, this is
slightly.
better, yeah. Quick,
Nice.
quick,
3,
slow.
Alemana. 2, 3,
Yeah.
4.
And one more point number 3 is when you are opening your arm here, you close your arm as you step.
Okay.
Close your arm because you're doing this. Your arm is open, you're doing check, arm still open, and then here you close. That's a little bit too late. So 4, 1, you go and 2. It's just gonna look more together. More
So you
synchronous.
open your
Open
arm
arm.
to the side and you there already. Both. Like stay on this foot like this. Yeah. So now you will go check towards me and close arms simultaneously. Boom, right, and
Three,
keep it there.
4,
Perfect.
and 2, yes.
And
3 and 4. Yeah. And I think the arms will be here, not behind. Here.
Yeah, when you dance, when you walk on the
Yeah,
floor,
when
it's
you-
okay. Back.
Yeah, like the elbow forward. Okay, and the last point, but maybe most important, it's keeping slow or quick, slow timing of rumba when you do walks. So when we going backwards, slow, we have to very clearly foot timing. Quick, slow. Quick, slow. Because you look like a little bit going everything slow. Every step is same. It has to have a rhythm of quick, slow. So something is quicker, something is slower.
Quick, so that's a quick step. Quickly it is when you slow.
Yeah, and rumba as well. If you take a look at rumba international, so you have a 2, 3, 4, 1. So 2 means quick, slow. 4, 1 means slow. Quick, slow. And ideally, you a little bit accelerate. Quick, and slow down with slow. It looks a little bit more rhythmical.
Okay. It is so technical because, you know,
Yeah, it's a little technical, but let's try it. But it will help. It will make
Okay,
different.
yeah, when you dance, you're already here.
Yes.
When you walk out, you're here.
So let's do from the
And
when
the
you
bow,
back
when
up.
you fix bow.
When you back up.
2, 3, 4, 1.
Quick,
Quick,
slow.
And 2.
Quick,
Slow.
slow.
Nice. Towards me.
Quick, slow. Quick and quick, slow. Better. Quick, slow. Quick, slow. Quick, slow.
Yeah.
But the first time you
The
did
first
very
time?
good.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's a memory muscle.
But it's all two the same.
Yeah, it's a memory muscle.
And you see, when you looked at her, it was better because when you look at her, you tend to step towards her.
Practice pay.
Understand? Yeah. Slow and quick.
That's
Yes.
how our
Quick.
rhythm was.
Slow. Nice. Quick. Slow. Quick. Slow. Quick and quick. Slow. Quick and slow. Yes.
Quick, slow, and one more. Quick, slow, quick. So let's about, like, let's
And
show
bow.
all that about. I would not do that much. But...
Yeah, so less bowing and bowing.
Okay.
So like, don't do much there. So she is spinning, you just arm behind and close your leg.
Okay, let me, that's just okay, so I gotta throw her on that side, right?
Yeah, yeah. That side
It
is good.
depends. Sometimes if I'm there,
No, let's do one side. No, depends. Only one side.
Like this.
Just trust. Yes, you just pause. Yeah. Let her bow. You're not bowing. Yeah. That's it.
Okay, make it simple.
okay.
It's, you know, the most amazing things are simple.
Mhm.
This is very simple, but not too many people follow this.
That's why, you know, when you Zoom, you know, we're not together, and
Yeah.
you have to be together because there's layers and layers, and
Yeah. It's a layer system, but these 4 or 5 points we mentioned, so point number 1 is the way you walk out, and
Mhm.
point number 2, it's a footwork, toe ball heel, just go through a routine. Point number 3 is a quick, slow timing. Point number 4, it's orientation for your fan position. Point number 5, it's a bow, when you spin the girl underarm, always spin her, it doesn't matter where she finished, always do it on the left. Like this, so you're not
Okay.
confused. Always on the left.
Even if I'm, let's say here, you just
You
open.
here? Yeah.
Mhm.
Or you can here, you can always take a heel like this and spin her like this. No, but I want you see, this is skill for the man is to manipulate the girl's body. So get used to have 2 arms like this, take her here, spin her out.
Mhm.
Do this. Yeah. And then take her in and spin her out. Good.
Well, you gotta have 2 arms to connect this, good arms.
Yeah, you need it.
Okay, so,
Very good. Now hide your arm. Both, nothing. Yeah, that's it. Smile and smile. Yeah, don't even do head tilt. You don't need it. You become too much.